Hi guys, today we are going to look at tyd en getalle, the way we write the time in Afrikaans, and also some basics of numbers that you need to know. Let's start with the time. So the word hour is uur in Afrikaans. Hours is ure. And the word o'clock, when referring to time. O'clock in Afrikaans is ook uur. So if I want to say it is 1 o'clock, I'm going to say dit is 1 uur. And in Afrikaans we write it as one word. 1 uur, 5 uur, 10 uur. However, have a look at this. The word twee ends on double E. And the word uur starts with 2 U's. So when we put them together like that, you can see it's very confusing to see what's going on there. That is why in Afrikaans, when we're referring to time, when we have a number that ends on E, we are going to use a hyphen, just to make it easier to read. See, now it's so much easier to read. 2 uur. Now the other time, the other numbers that also gets a hyphen is, okay, so it's 2 uur, 3 uur, 7 uur, as well as 9 uur, because all of them ends on a E. Now, the voorzetsel, the preposition that you're going to use in front of your time is always om. The game starts at 2 o'clock, is how we say it in English and Afrikaans. Die wedstrijd begin om 2 uur. Om. Now, when I want to say it is 10 uur, it's going to be one word. However, when we are referring to how long it takes to do something, or the duration, we are going to write it as 2 words. Let's have a look. Ons skryf 10 uur 'n 2 uur vraestel. So 10 uur is one word because it's a specific time, but then a 2 uur vraestel is going to take us 2 hours. Referring to how long it's going to take, it's 2 words. Another example. Die reis na Durban het 6 uur geneem. It took us 6 hours to get there. That is how long it took us. So it's 2 words. But now you might be thinking, ma'am, why did you write 6 uur and not 6 ure? Good question. In Afrikaans, when we are referring to years or hours, we use the singular. My opa is 80 jaar oud. We don't say 80 jare oud. The same with uur. Ons skryf 'n 2 uur vraestel, not 'n 2 ure vraestel. Die reis het ons 6 ure geneem. 6 uur, the singular. However, all the rest, minute en sekondes, maande en dae, in referring to that, we use the plural. Ek gaan vir 3 maande Engeland toe. Easy peasy. Now, let's quickly look at the clock. So, when something takes an hour, in Afrikaans sê ons 'n uur. When it is half an hour, dit is 'n half uur, because it's a halve van 'n uur. Half uur, one word. Now, a quarter of an hour, 'n kwart van 'n uur. However, we don't say 'n kwart uur, we say 'n kwartier. Please take a note of that. The same with 3/4. 3/4 of an hour, 'n 3/4 van die uur. We don't say it's a 3/4 uur, we say a 3/4. Now let's quickly look at the time. So 8:15 is 8:15. And then Afrikaans we will say 8:15. 8:15. 8:25, 25 past 8. We will say 25:08. And then 8:30, 8:30. In English, we say what has passed. It's 8:30. In Afrikaans, we say what is to come. 8:30. We're going to 9 o'clock, but we're not there yet. It's a half an hour to go, so it's 8:30, one word. 8:45 is 8:45. In Afrikaans, 8:45. And then 8:50, 8:50 is 8:50. Now, let's quickly look at some numbers. There we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 to 10. Then after that, we get to the tens. Now, 11 and 12 is weird. 11 and 12. Luckily, it sounds almost the same. But then from there, 13. From there, the word 10 is in the word. But have a look. 3, it's not 13, it's 13. 13. And then 4, it's not 14, it's 14. Then after that, it gets easy. 5 is 15, 6, 16. But then 7 and 9, we're going to add the N there. 7 is not 17, it's 17. The same with 19. And then 8 is 18. We don't just add the 10 there. And then, like, it should be a double T. However, we don't have a double T. So it is 18. One T falls away. Okay, after that, we get to the tigs, like the 20, 30, 40. So 2, 12 is 20, 3, and then 13 and 30. These two are easy because they are the same, but remember 3, 13, 30. The same with 4. 4, 14, 40. And then 5 is 15, 50, 6, 16, 60. 7, again we add the N, 17, 70. Now 8 was 18, but it's not 80, 80. That missing T goes to the front, 80. And then 90 with the N again, and then 100. Now, in English, we start at the number in front, and then we go to the one after it when we are reading the number. So 21. But in Afrikaans, we start with the second one, or the last one, and we go to the front. 21, 22. When we have hundreds, we start with the 100 first. 102. 235. Now we're going to look at position. First, second, third, but also the 3rd of March, the 23rd of December. So when we have numbers from 1 up to 19, so smaller than 20, they are going to get a D. 10, 19. And everything from 20 and up will get a st. 20ste, 100ste. However, there are 2 numbers that are smaller than 20 that does not get a D, but it gets a st. And those 2 are eerste and achtste. They don't get a D, they get a st. Eerste, achtste, but all the rest gets a D. 5de, 9de, and then, like I said, everything from 20 and up gets a st. 20ste, 80ste, 100ste, all the rest gets a st. Okay guys, easy peasy. I hope that this helped you. Bye.